ManageXR is a company born out of the realization that VR is a powerful tool, but
deploying VR is hard.
So we set out on a mission to make it easy. Whether you're a teacher in the classroom, a business training your staff, or a hospital treating patients, ManageXR gives you complete control of your VR program. Lock down headsets, update software remotely, and create your ideal user experience. Our story begins in 2017.
I was connected with a group of doctors at Stanford Children's Hospital, and they wanted to use VR as a form of distraction therapy.
We know that most kids love games. We started to gain more and more experience with gamifying their rehabilitation.
We built things like Pebbles the Penguin and Space Pups. It was truly an amazing opportunity for me because I saw VR do things that I could only describe as magic.
We've seen kids go from lying in bed for 2 weeks to putting on a VR headset, instantly sitting up. It's been one of our biggest success stories.
As this program grew, we started running into some serious challenges. It was the simple things that were getting in our way. Just installing an application and making sure that it was up to date on 10 different headsets became a real challenge.
Putting their headset on and now they're sitting in the Oculus store where there's tons of software to choose from. We really needed something that would work quickly.
So we began building a management platform that allowed us to remotely install applications, to lock headsets down, to make VR easy. We deployed to over 200 children's hospitals across the country. It was an exciting time for our deployment, but it was also an exciting time for the industry. People were using VR for things I never even had considered. It became really important to me to bring this tool to everybody else.
And so ManageXR was born.
We work with people doing amazing things and working really hard to make the impossible happen.
Incredibly exciting. We have 2,450 headsets deployed across the entire Commonwealth of Kentucky in 33 schools. We're talking about computer-aided design, healthcare, 3D graphics, welding, carpentry.
VR Pilot develops and customizes solutions for procedure training in aircraft simulators for well-known brands like Alaska Airlines, Horizon Air, Republic Airways. With ManageXR, we are able to send the VR headset directly to the end user, fully configured, fully locked down.
When you put on a headset that's powered by ManageXR, you're going to see exactly what you want your employees or your users to do in VR.
Luminopia uses virtual reality technology to treat lazy eye in children. You watch television shows in VR. We modify the presentation of those TV shows to correct the brain's prioritization of one eye over the other. Being able to partner with ManageXR on this has been a game changer.
I've had teachers tell me, I wish we could manage our other devices like this. The fact that they can just hop on their phone or hop on their computer and then have everything ready for them the next day, when they walk in.
We don't have that many local customers. When you're an instructor or trying to understand what goes on, just having the capabilities of going into ManageXR, press the stream button, just makes life a lot easier.
Without a platform like ManageXR, we would never be able to keep track of all our devices.
VR fleet management has basically become an afterthought.
Even if it's 2 headsets, I tell people I would still have ManageXR because it just makes your life so much easier.
It streamlines the entire process.
When you work with ManageXR, you work with a team who has been deploying VR for the past 7 years.
And we really have seen it all.
You have a team that's here that understands your path and what you're trying to do at your business.
We want to give you the tools to build the future you want.